All right, we got these really nice pet ear wipes for dogs and cats. We're gonna be using on Mr. Peterson right here. This is gonna keep your pet's ears nice and clean. It's with coconut oil and chamomile. So as you can see, Peyton's very excited. The trick with these, use treats. That way he associates, your pet will associate this experience positively. So we're gonna go ahead, there's 50 of these. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take one of them out right now. And there's one of them right there. And it's nice and moist and it fits right over. See, he's antsy, like he's excited. He's excited. You want your pet to be excited about this. So he's excited, and I'm gonna give him another treat, and then I'm gonna invite him to come over here right now. Come here, Bob, right here. Come here, come here, come here, come here. All right, stay here. And you just wanna sort of confidently go in. I'm cleaning around, cleaning around, cleaning around. He knows he's getting a treat, so he's excited, and you reward him. And now he's like, I want more of that. He wants his ears cleaned now. These are amazing. Pet ear wipes, highly recommend.